In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting directly in Outlook. We'll walk through the full process of creating a calendar event in Outlook and then adding a Zoom meeting link to it before sending the invitation out to your attendees. This is a very convenient way to keep everything organized in one place, especially if you manage your meetings through Outlook and want your Zoom details added automatically. To get started, open Outlook and go to your calendar. This is where you'll create the meeting invitation. Once you're in the calendar view, click on New Event. This opens the meeting creation window where you can enter all the basic details for your upcoming call. From there, click on Event so you can begin setting everything up. Now fill out the meeting title, the date, the start and end time, and invite the attendees you want to include. Take a moment here to make sure these details are correct, because this is what your guests will see in their invitation. A clear meeting title and accurate timing can help avoid confusion later. Once the event information is ready, go to the top of the event window and click the app icon. This is where Outlook lets you connect extra tools and add-ins to your meeting. After that, hover over Zoom in the menu so the Zoom options appear. Next, click Add a Zoom Meeting. Outlook will then insert the Zoom meeting details directly into the calendar event. This usually includes the meeting link and any related connection information your attendees will need. Adding Zoom this way saves time and helps ensure the link is attached to the invitation correctly, instead of copying and pasting it manually. Before you send the invite, it's a good idea to quickly review the event one more time. Check that the title, date, time, attendees, and Zoom details all look right. This small final check can prevent mistakes and make the meeting experience smoother for everyone joining. When everything looks good, click Send. Your Outlook event will be delivered to all invited attendees with the Zoom meeting included, so they can simply accept the invitation and join from the calendar invite when it's time. That's it. You've successfully scheduled a Zoom meeting directly in Outlook. This is a simple workflow that can make meeting planning faster and more efficient, especially if you do it often. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.